quitting YouTube, so, and if I'm not going to give you 100% or film the video properly and edit it properly, then it don't make sense. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while I haven't posted any content, but content is coming, right? So I have a few videos that I want to film, some of which I kind of want to move away and mix up this channel a little bit more to incorporate some outdoor cooking, some country style cooking and stuff like that, more outdoor activities. So sometimes we'll film indoors and sometimes we'll be outdoor. So that's something that I want to do with this channel. So I would like to film contents outdoor when I'm in the country, or when I take a trip on something, we can film some outdoor cooking or some riverside cooking. So those type of stuff I want to incorporate into this channel. When I'm not filming those content, from time to time, I make my juices and I also do some baking. So don't forget to support the channel, guys. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up buttons. Don't forget to support by watching the ads. Leave the video and let the ads play so that we can get those coins. I just want to say thank you guys for the support, and thanks for the 2,000 subscribers. We appreciate you. I cannot imagine having 2,000 people in one room. That's a whole lot of people. I just want to say thanks for the support. Let me know what videos you'd like. When you let me know what videos you like, I can film those videos for you. So comment below and let us know what videos you are interested in. Let us also know if you'd like the punch and natural juice series to start on Wednesdays, and on Saturdays we'll bring some hardcore videos, like we'll bring some heavier recipes, right? So just comment and let us know what videos you're interested in. I really need you guys to communicate more in the comment section. We need to hear from you guys. You guys are too silent, right? So that's just a few things, a little update on what's going on. So as I said, I want to incorporate more outdoor cooking or more countryside cooking, riverside, you name it, right? But we still want you guys to support what we're doing now, and we appreciate all the support. All if I one somebody I watch the video or two somebody I watch and two people a comment, we appreciate it and thanks for the support. So it's a Sunday. So on a Sunday, I would normally, if I'm going to cook rice and peas, I would normally soak the peas from overnight and I make some juice. If I have some fruits, I'll make some natural drink. Well, I have some sorrel, so I'm going to draw some sorrel. Yeah, buy 2 bags of sorrel Friday. Yes, I'm going to draw one of the bags. And I think I'm going to either make brown stew fish or maybe I'm going to fry the fish, depending on how I'm feeling. So, alright guys, so my hands hurt, so I'm going to get this tripod to assist. Alright guys, so as I was saying, I'm going to make brown stew fish with pumpkin rice, and I have some sorrel. I'm going to draw the sorrel. So I think I'm going to put on the sorrel now so that we can draw, and I'm not sure if I have any ginger with that. So that's what we're going to make today, guys. We're going to make pumpkin rice with brown stew fish. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Support the video. Hit the thumbs up button, guys. Comment below, guys. We want to hear from you. Head on in the comment section and let's chat. Say hi or something. We don't quit YouTube, guys. Never. not going to give you 100% or film the video properly and edit it properly, then it will make sense. As I'm not going to put a video out there that is not ready, right? So I just took a break. I'm not quitting YouTube, so you will see this video. Maybe I'll post it on Saturday. So I'll post this video on Saturday, right? So that's basically the update. We don't quit YouTube. And yeah, that's it, guys. Alright, so let's get right into the video and let's start preparing that sorrel drink with the brown stew fish and the pumpkin rice. Let's get right into it. So guys, I have here 1 bag of sorrel. This is a pound of sorrel. I paid 250 Jamaican dollars for it. And I have 2 pieces of ginger. So what I like to do, guys, is to wash off the sorrel before I add them to the hot water. So that's what I'm about to do. So I just add them in this. Guys, this is my dish cover. So cover your food on your table. Yes. Alright, so they're all done. We're going to add them to the boiling water. The water, I think the water is now ready. So let's head on over there. It's very hot. So as you can see, guys, it starts to bleed. So what I'm going to do is just to allow the water to boil up for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, after which I'll turn the stove off and allow the sorrel to draw. So I'm going to prepare the ginger to add to the pot as well. So this is the drink for today with our brown stew fish and the pumpkin rice. So I have the gingers here. I'm going to add to the pot. So what I did was to crush the ginger. If you want, you could go ahead and look at that, it's getting richer. If you want to, you could go ahead and grate your ginger afterward. It is based on your preference, guys, but this is how I like to do it. You see, it's a very rich sorrel. So what I'm going to do is to turn the stove off. It's very rich. I'm going to turn the stove off and allow it to draw and so that's it for the sorrel, guys. After it is cool, I'll just add some sugar, ginger. I'm not going to add any alcohol because I have another bag that I'm going to draw and let it ferment. I'm going to prepare the vegetables for the stew, for the brown stew fish. So I'm going to chop up some vegetables. They're all washed. Coconut oil. Allow that to get heated. Alright guys, so this is the fish. It was seasoned already from Saturday. So yeah, seasoned and ready, and this is the vegetables for the fish. So we're looking very nice and lovely. Big piece of fish. Yep. Our vegetables. So we just wait on the oil to get hot. Then we pop the fish right in and go and seal the boat, guys. Alright, so as you can see, the pot hot. So I love cooking on my Dutch pot when I create these amazing, authentic Jamaican style meal. So when I fry fish and all of them something here, I love my Dutch pot. And see there? Yes, the Dutch ready. So we are going to drop the fish right in and get the show on the road. finished fry, so we're going to move on to making the sauce. Yep. So in this same pot, I'm going to saute the vegetables. So I'm going to add some fish season, some Scotch bonnet soya sauce and some water, and allow the vegetables to cook until they're half done. When they're half done, I'll just pop the fish in and allow the gravy to get thick. Our pumpkin rice, we didn't cook a lot of rice, right? So this wasn't a curry pumpkin, so we didn't get that rich yellow color that we're looking for. But if you don't know what's I love mash out my pumpkin in my rice, yes, so we're not going to do no whole heap of digging up with the rice, right? So as you don't know, me love mash out my pumpkin in my rice. We have a pimento, scallion and thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper. The pot well seasoned, right? So I just making go and simmer down a little more. This is how it is looking. A bit of pumpkin here and there. That's how I like it. So I just leave it, make it stay there. Alright guys, so pumpkin look good. So I also put a link in the top right corner because I have because I have a lot of recipes uploaded on our channel on how to prepare pumpkin rice. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button guys, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Alright guys, so this is how our brown stew fish is looking. We're just allowing it to simmer down so we can get that sauce thick and lovely. Alright guys, so this is our brown stew fish. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just going to prepare some vegetables. So me as a girl love our cucumber. So me always have to have cucumber. If me don't have any other vegetables, me have to have cucumber. So I'm just slicing some cucumbers. I'm going to shred some carrot and cabbage and chop some lettuce, and that will do it. Okay. this is our delicious brown stew fish with pumpkin rice and some side of vegetables. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Comment below and let me know what you like about this video, and if you reach thus far in the video, comment brown stew fish. And guys, you know, so we can't leave out the taste test, so you dive in and then we'll share some sorrel drink and have a seat and just taste this delicious and authentic brown stew fish with pumpkin rice. So I have my dish right here. Yeah, this is it. This right here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna taste and make you know this ball. Tastes good. Guys, I'm not telling no lie on no food, not because I'm a cook, but you don't know it, I got taste good. I'm gonna taste the fish now. Yeah. It places. Guys, it tastes good. It tastes good, so wash it down with a little sorrel juice. Refreshing. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, guys. Comment, share and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So leave a comment and let me know if you guys enjoy this video and if you'd like more videos like this. If you don't like that video here, comment below and let me know. Suggest some videos that you would like me to create for you. Bye guys.